Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible now. Actually, you were on
Hi,
mute there.
Praveen. Am I audible? Yeah, you're audible.
Okay. Yeah. Good afternoon, Umang.
Yeah. I'm sorry for the. I'm sorry about the internet. Yeah.
No
Hi.
problem.
So this is your first session with me.
Yeah,
Did
your
you
voice
did you
is
get
lagging.
some time to go through the session material?
Yeah. I have gone through that session document.
Okay. Okay. Actually, I couldn't go through it. So could you please
It's
run
regarding
it through me
startups
and
and
like tell
yeah,
me
it's
what
it's regarding startups and new business ideas.
new business ideas. Okay. So before we proceed, would you like to introduce yourself to me?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Praveen Sharma, and I am from Agra. Currently working with a media organization in Delhi.
Okay.
Due to lockdown, working from
Okay.
my home only. So yeah, now I'm in Agra.
Okay. Could
Yeah,
you please repeat the job title that you're working
I
as?
have been working for media organization, news channel.
Media organization. Okay. So, if you don't mind me asking, would you like to tell me about your job and what you do or how you do things?
Okay. I take care of the programming part. So which program will on air at what time?
Okay.
So this is my job role.
Oh, okay. That is such an interesting job.
Yeah.
Like, this is the first time I'm hearing about it. So, thank you for educating me.
Okay.
And do you have any other questions for me, or do you just want to go ahead with our conversation?
We can go ahead with the session documents. But just want to ask one thing. Actually, I have been reading something. So I encountered one line sentence.
Okay.
So I couldn't understand what was the exact meaning of that.
Okay.
So it's written like do
Okay.
unto others as you would have done unto you.
Okay. So onto is a preposition that is used in an ambiguous manner. Okay. So this sentence exactly
Okay.
means like treat yourself the way you would treat others.
Okay. So it's an advanced structure to say like treat others as as you want to treat yourself. Yeah, right.
So could you please repeat the sentence once again so that I can like clearly explain it?
Do unto others as you would have done unto you.
Okay. Okay. Onto yourself. Yeah. So this seems like a script from I'd say some holy piece of writing, probably Bible or something like that.
Not
I'm not sure,
exactly.
but
No,
it is a
it's
statement.
written in the
It's not
context.
a sentence.
Written in the context. Right. It's written in the context. So if you want to win your friend, so don't criticize him
Yes.
and don't complain. So in that context, it was.
Oh, okay.
It,
So yeah, you understood the meaning correctly. It means treat others the way you would like to be treated, or do things to others, things that you do to yourself. I know that
what you
sounds
want to yourself.
weird, but
Okay.
yes. So they're basically trying to imply a positive feeling and emotion that you must not be rude to people or mean to other people if you wouldn't be
Yeah,
mean to yourself.
exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. So onto is a preposition that we can use instead of at.
Yes. Not no. Not at.
Okay.
Onto means on the top
So it is
of.
not onto. It's written at UNTO. Unto. Net. I think your network is not stable, so your voice is lacking and
Unto.
videos.
Oh, okay. So hi, am I audible now?
Yeah. But there was lag and.
Am I audible,
Uh,
Praveer? Yeah.
yeah. You are audible.
Okay, I am sorry. I guess you'll have to deal with it.
No issue.
Yeah. So it is an archaic term for the preposition to.
Okay.
Archaic means an old form. So you must know that English is not just English is not a language that originated from America necessarily. It was the Britishers, and it was more
Right.
English.
Right.
English, yeah, when it was old. So there are a lot of words that were used in the 70s or 80s but
Okay.
are not any other
Your voice
doubts. If you have
among
any other doubts,
your
I could.
so it's very difficult to understand actually.
Yeah. But I hope you understood that unto
Yeah,
is an
yeah,
archaic
y-
form of the
yeah,
preposition.
yeah. I got that point. That like
Okay.
onto is used instead of to only.
Okay. Let me just try and switch my network if that will help. I'll try that.
Or you can switch off your cameras.
The network better now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's proper and better. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Cool. Actually, I am outside. I had a last minute plan and I asked the team to, assign this session to someone else, but they couldn't. So I'm just working with
Okay.
whatever I have
No issue. No
right
issue.
now. I'm really sorry. Yeah. Yeah. So before we go further, do you have any other questions for me?
No, no. That's all.
Okay. Okay. Had the network been better, I could have been more helpful to you, but I'd like to apologize for the last time for that again. But yeah.
Not a
So,
problem.
um, is it okay if I give you some feedback or some pointers on how to improve your
Yeah,
introduction?
yeah, exactly.
Okay. So, you could obviously start with hi, my name is Praveen Sharma, or hi when it's a little informal, but hello or greetings is considered to be better when you're introducing yourself to somebody senior or in a formal setting, or good evening, or all the common ways you can say. Or you could make an opening remark. You could say, hi, my name is this, and I really like your work. And then you can go ahead with your topic of what you like about them. And if you want to introduce yourself better, you could be like, hi, my name is Praveen, and two or three important details about you that would be relevant in that setting. So, for example, if you're in a job interview, what do you lead with? You say a name and then you lead with your qualifications or experience. But when you're introducing yourself to a family member that you've never met before, then what do you say? That you tell them about your relation to them, right? That you're so and so person's son or daughter or relative, right? So I hope you got the general idea. If you're introducing yourself to somebody in a social setting, you and it's like an informal social setting when it comes to creativity, then you can say, hi, my name is Praveen, I am a drummer, or I am a musician, or I'm interested in music, or I'm interested in dancing. And you can go ahead with. So this is something that I feel like is very useful for people, because introducing yourself in the correct way leaves a good impact on whoever you are making conversation.
And how
Right?
to initiate
And
the
why
conversation
don't
with
you tell me
stranger.
more? Yes, yes, exactly. So, since you're a man and we live in India, so it's easier for men to strike up a conversation with other men
Right.
when you're traveling, or when you're in the bus or a train or anywhere, even when you're having tea outside your workplace or outside your house. So, that was one introduction. Why don't you tell me more about what you are already doing to improve the language?
I have been reading a lot and
Okay,
started listening some English gurus like spiritual gurus. I have been following Don
okay,
Gopal Das and
okay, okay,
started watch some English content.
okay.
Also,
Do you
whenever
listen to
I got
podcasts?
chance,
Yeah,
actually
sorry,
I'm
go ahead.
not aware about any guys who do the
What?
proper podcast for English. So,
No, no, not for English, just
also
to work on your accent. Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
actually the all the podcast they did it's been done by only foreigners. So to catch their accent and
Okay,
to catch that flow is very difficult in my
okay,
current situation. So currently I am following
okay,
only English in that is spoken by Indian only.
okay, okay. No, I get that. Yeah.
Yeah.
And what else are you doing? Please go ahead.
And, whenever I got time,
So I speak as much I can. So whenever I got chance, so I grab that chance.
Okay, so do you
So
write,
like
Praveen?
No, I don't write actually. I don't like to write.
Okay.
But I started my
Okay.
YouTube channel, so I upload these
Okay.
videos on YouTube.
And
Okay.
got some comment as well. Like I want to conversation with you. I want to do conversation with you. So I'll
Okay.
spare some time and communicate with that one, with this guy.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and I
I feel like
created a
you're
group
doing a
as
lot
well.
of serious things. Oh, that's nice. So
Yeah,
I feel like you're doing a lot of serious things and serious content consumption. Just to lighten up things, I would suggest there's a guy called Ranveer Aluwadia. You
okay.
might have heard about him. He's a startup guru. Like he has two startups, Wonk Entertainment and another one. And his content is really good. He has podcasts. He has podcasts in both Hindi and English. I'd suggest
So
you
Ranveer
obviously
is a
follow the
guy
English.
that who started with the fashion icon. So initially he
No, no, no,
gave the
no.
suggestion for initially he gave the
Uh,
tips to how
okay.
to uh, dress up and what should I wear when I'm going for interview or what should I wear when that's the same
Yeah.
guy.
Maybe he might be
And
the same guy.
so
He has a V in his
he,
name.
he recently interviewed Gaur Gopal Das in their
Okay.
channel.
Yeah, he takes a lot of interviews. He has both podcasts and he uploads the videos of the podcasts on YouTube. And they're in
Yeah,
English
yeah, yeah,
mostly.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So you can prefer either platform because I know it's easier to
Okay,
just listen to content when you're working because you're
sure, I'll
subconsciously
check that.
absorbing it. So yeah, you might pick up on since he is Indian, his accent is not too fancy,
Yeah, yeah.
but he uses correct grammar, which is why I like his content.
And could you
Yeah.
tell me something about
And
yourself? Like you did your school
yeah.
from.
Yeah, I completed my school from a girls' school and ours was a Catholic school.
Okay,
So they were really strict when it came to English. They used to fine us if we were caught speaking in Hindi to our teachers or any other senior members of the school.
okay.
Yeah. So all
And
the
what
credit
did you
to
do
good
in your
English goes.
profession? Like, what is the profession right now? A part of this.
I am pursuing. I have completed my BCom and MCom. I am pursuing chartered accountancy as of now. I still have to appear for my final exams.
Okay.
Yeah.
So have you joined that Clappingo recently, or you were on?
No, recently. I think it's been 3 or 4 months since I joined Clappingo.
So how was your experience with that?
I love it. It's so nice to talk to different people from different places.
Right.
And even the speakers are really polite and nice. And it's fun. Even I watch videos of other speakers taking sessions
Okay.
on YouTube. And I really like that. And I'm trying to be better, of course, with every session. I'm trying to make it more productive and inculcate as much as I can in the limited duration.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
And also, could I have the your consent on that video? So can I upload that on?
Yeah, sure. I don't know how much useful it would be because half of the time we were struggling with the network, and I'm sorry
Yeah.
again for that. But yeah, next time if you book a session with me, I can assure that I'll be in a better setting and we can talk about anything. Like
Okay. Sure.
I love music and I actually play drums and a guitar and I am a dancer as well. So anything
Great.
creative or I
That's
am
great.
from commerce background since I'm pursuing chartered accountancy. I can talk about investments, startups, and everything. So
So how
anything,
long have you been
even
playing
yeah, yeah.
drums and all? How long have you been playing drums and
I
guitars?
think it's been 3 months since I started playing drums, and I think I'm average at it
Okay.
now.
I think girls
Yeah,
don't choose to play drums. They mostly choose guitar and all. So
I like it because I am kind of short tempered. Like I have a limited threshold beyond which I cannot tolerate things and people. So music is a good outlet for me.
okay. And which type of music do you like? Like which genre?
Pop. I really like pop because it's well balanced.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
There is
you
music, there is
play drum
hope.
for your. You play drum and guitar some uh, in events as well, or just